city, probably doing 50, but I got 200 on the dash. Action nigga do it, got milk, cause I left him with a cum stash. Something must be really wrong with you. Why can't you just tell the fucking truth now?
What up, unicorn? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a slick bun. Now, I start off with my hair wet because it works best when it's wet. But you don't have to necessarily do it when it's wet, but I do it when it's wet. Comb it out, and then, yeah. Even if your hair is dry, comb your hair out. Like, make sure there's no tangles in your hair at all. Alright, so I just let it air dry a little bit. So, yeah, because not a lot of people do it while it's wet, so yeah, I'm not going to show you guys like that. I look a mess. I look a mess. So, yep, after you comb all the stuff out, you're going to take your Eco Styler, your what? Today, I'm using Extreme. Can't see. I'm using this because I use all my Eco Styler, like, it's gone. They're both gone. So, yeah, there's nothing in here at all. So, I'm going to be using that until I feel like walking all the way across town to the beauty spot. So, alright, so now you just brush your hair up like I'm doing, get all of the tangles out. So, when you put it in a ponytail, it can be flat and it can look really slick. Now you apply water. Well, you don't have to apply water, but my hair works best, like I said, when I use water. So yeah, just apply it to where you're gonna put the gel. Do not apply it to the top because your hair is gonna get curly and it's gonna mess up the form of the bun. Now take the gel and apply it to the back of your hair. Now add the water and apply the gel just like you did to the back. Alright, getting the hair into a ponytail. This is the hard part. This is really a process, but yeah, you just brush your hair all the way to the top of your head. I bend over because it helps me get it to where I want the ponytail to be. So yeah, just follow my instructions. So now all you're doing is teasing your hair so your bun can look bigger. So just follow exactly what I'm doing. After that, just create the bun you want. Now, edges. Now you're done. Oh, shit. There we go. See? Alright, I need my eyebrows done. Don't talk about my eyebrows, sorry. It's embarrassing. Bye, unicorns.